What if I told you there's a robot out there that can completely change its identity in just seconds? New name, new voice, new personality, all with just a few clicks. Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? Well, this isn't a futuristic concept. It's already happening. And the robot we're talking about is called Ameca. Ameca has just been upgraded with a powerful new system that allows it to transform in ways that were once thought impossible. It's not just a lifelike humanoid robot. It's now a customizable tool that can adapt to any task, role, or personality in the blink of an eye. In today's video, we'll explore how Ameca works, what this means for the future of robots, and how it could change industries around the world. Buckle up. This is a game changer. How can Ameca change its identity instantly? Why is the new ROS system so revolutionary for humanoid robots? What does this mean for industries like business, education, and healthcare? Let's dive deep into this breakthrough and explore the exciting future of humanoid robots. The Ameca. Upgrade. What's new and why does it matter? Let's start by talking about the robot at the center of all this. Ameca, developed by Engineered Arts. Ameca has been known for its incredibly lifelike facial expressions. It looks almost human, which is amazing in itself. But now, the creators have added something incredible: ROS Robot Operating System. Before the ROS upgrade, Ameca's capabilities were already impressive, but customizing its role or behavior required special coding knowledge, which meant that only experts could alter its personality, language, or task focus. Well, not anymore. With ROS, the process has become incredibly simple. You can now customize Ameca's entire identity through a simple browser interface. Imagine being able to log into a website, click a few buttons, and suddenly, Ameca is speaking French, has a totally new personality, and is trained for a specific task like recommending paint colors based on the lighting in a room or guiding a new employee through their first day on the job. This is more than just an upgrade. It's a transformation in how we can use robots in our daily lives and work. Ameca's new flexibility opens up countless possibilities, from personal assistance to educational tools, all powered by a robot that looks and acts like a human. How does ROS work? The power of customization. Now, let's take a closer look at how the ROS system works and why it's such a breakthrough. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. You don't need to be a programmer or a tech expert to use it. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You simply log into the ROS interface, where you'll find easy-to-use options that let you modify Ameca's identity, personality, language, and abilities. Want Ameca to speak in Spanish instead of English? No problem, just click a button and it's done. You can also change its name. Maybe you want it to be Sarah today and Alex tomorrow. The options are endless. You can adjust Ameca's voice, its tone, and even its expressions. If you need Ameca to have a serious, professional tone, you can do that. Want it to have a more cheerful, friendly personality? It's all in your hands. But the customization doesn't end there. You can also tailor Ameca's abilities to specific tasks. For example, if you want Ameca to be a virtual paint consultant, you can train it to give personalized recommendations based on lighting, room size, and materials. If you want it to help train employees in a specific field, it can be programmed with all the knowledge it needs to perform that task. This is possible because of the design of the ROS system. Instead of hardwiring different behaviors or personalities, ROS allows you to tweak everything from a central interface. It's like having your own customizable robot that can adapt instantly to whatever you need. What's even more exciting is that this technology isn't limited to just Ameca. The ROS system can be applied to other humanoid robots as well, making it a potential game changer for the entire industry. Why this is a big deal? The implications for businesses and education. So, why does this matter? Why should we care that a robot can change its name, voice, and personality? Well, this new technology isn't just cool, it's practical. Imagine a world where robots aren't just tools. They're adaptable helpers that can fit into any role you need them to, whether that's in business, education, or even healthcare. The ability to customize robots like Ameca can have massive implications. For example, in business, Ameca could serve as a personal assistant that adapts to different roles. Maybe one day, it's your customer service representative, answering calls and handling inquiries. The next day, It could be your sales consultant, ready to recommend products based on customer preferences. The best part? You don't need to reprogram the robot each time. It's all done with a few clicks. This saves businesses time, money, and the headache of constantly hiring and training new employees in education. Ameca could serve as a tutor, adapting to the needs of each student. Imagine a robot that can change its teaching style based on the student's learning preferences. One student might need a more visual approach, while another might prefer a more verbal style. With Ameca, that's not a problem. Just adjust the personality settings, and the robot becomes the perfect tutor for each individual. But it's not just about work and school. In the healthcare industry, robots like Ameca can assist with elderly care, providing companionship and even helping with daily tasks. Ameca could be programmed to interact with patients, helping them with their medication schedules or offering a friendly chat when they're feeling lonely. This would provide a much-needed boost to the healthcare system, especially as the global population ages. The Walker S2 self-charging robots are the next big thing. While Ameca is making waves with its customizable abilities, there are other robots making some serious strides too. One of the most exciting developments comes from China's Walker S2. This robot is pushing the boundaries of autonomy in ways we haven't seen before. The biggest innovation: self-charging. Yes, you heard that right. Walker S2 doesn't need any human help to recharge. No cables, no charging ports. This robot can swap its own battery. Here's how it works. When the Walker S2's battery runs low, simply walks to a charging station, removes the depleted battery from its chest, docks it, grabs a new one, and installs it all in under 3 minutes. Then, it's back to work. This self-sufficiency is a huge leap forward, especially for robots used in factories and warehouses where downtime can be costly. The ability to recharge autonomously means these robots can work 24/7 without any human intervention, making them incredibly efficient. Walker S2 doesn't just swap batteries, it also comes with advanced AI that allows it to optimize tasks in real time. The robot can schedule its own work, distribute tasks, and even navigate obstacles without bumping into anything. Thanks to a cloud-based system called Branet, multiple robots can work together seamlessly, coordinating tasks and making real-time decisions without human input. Leju Robotics and the future of modular robots. Another company making waves in the humanoid robot world is Leju Robotics. Backed by major investors like Tencent, Leju is developing a line of robots that are designed to work in a variety of industries. Their flagship robot, the Round 2, is a compact humanoid designed for both light and heavy factory tasks. What sets Leju apart is their modular approach to robotics. Instead of creating a one-size-fits-all robot, Leju designs robots that can be easily adapted for specific tasks and industries. For example, their Quovo robot is already being used in warehouses to move inventory. With its ability to seamlessly integrate with AI systems like Pangu, the Quovo can efficiently handle the movement of goods, from storage to transportation. But Leju isn't just focused on robots, they're also building a full industrial service ecosystem. They have 7 regional centers and multiple R&D hubs to support the growth and deployment of their robots. This approach allows them to scale up quickly and address the specific needs of different industries. From healthcare to logistics, Hyundai single quotes as humanoid robots in shipyards' real-world applications. As impressive as these advancements are, perhaps the most exciting development comes from Hyundai. Yes, the same Hyundai that makes cars. Hyundai is working with Robotics to deploy humanoid robots in shipyards in South Korea. These robots are not just being tested in controlled environments, they're being used for real-world tasks like welding and heavy assembly. The 4NE1 humanoid robot is being used to handle high-heat welding, task that's dangerous for humans, but perfect for a robot designed to withstand those conditions. This is a huge step for robotics, showing that humanoid robots can perform highly specialized tasks in higher-risk environments. These robots are equipped with advanced adaptive learning systems, which allow them to learn from their environment and improve their performance over time. By the end of 2026, Hyundai plans to have a fully functional prototype, with commercial use expected to follow in 2027. So, what does all of this mean for the future of humanoid robots? The technology we've discussed today is more than just impressive. It's practical, adaptable, and already changing the way we work, learn, and live. From Ameca's ability to instantly change its identity to Walker S2's self-charging systems and Hyundai's robots working in shipyards, robots are no longer just concepts or experiments. They're here, and they're ready to transform industries. But as we move forward, the question remains, are we ready for a world where robots can not only think and act like humans, but can also be customized and adapted to our every need? The future is now, and it's filled with possibilities. What do you think? Are humanoid robots like Ameca and Walker S2 going to revolutionize industries? Or are we moving too quickly? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting updates on the world of robotics and AI. See you in the next video.